Have you ever wondered why some bathrooms feel like a five-star luxury spa, while others feel ordinary even when they're clean and modern? The secret isn't always about spending more money. It's about design choices, lighting, materials, and small details that transform a simple bathroom into a space that feels elegant, calm, and truly luxurious. In this video, we'll explore 50 stunning luxury bathrooms and reveal the design ideas that make them look so refined and high-end. Luxury in a bathroom is not only about expensive materials, it's about how every element works together to create a sense of calm, balance, and elegance. One of the most noticeable features in luxury bathrooms is space and openness. Even in smaller rooms, designers often use clean layouts, floating furniture, and large mirrors to make the room feel more spacious and airy. Lighting plays a huge role in creating a luxury atmosphere. Instead of relying on a single bright ceiling light, luxury bathrooms combine multiple light sources. Soft ambient lighting, hidden LED strips, and illuminated mirrors help create a warm and relaxing glow that feels closer to a spa than a regular bathroom. Another important element is high-quality materials. Natural stone, marble, large-format tiles, and textured walls add depth and sophistication to the space. These materials reflect light beautifully and create the timeless elegance often found in luxury hotels and high-end homes. The freestanding bathtub is one of the most iconic features of a luxury bathroom. Unlike traditional built-in tubs, a freestanding tub becomes a centerpiece of the room. Placed near a window or in the center of the layout, it instantly adds a sense of style and relaxation. Luxury bathrooms also focus on clean and minimal design. Floating vanities, hidden storage, and seamless cabinetry keep surfaces uncluttered. This simplicity helps the space feel calm, organized, and visually refined. Mirrors are another key element. Large mirrors not only make the bathroom feel bigger, but when combined with soft backlighting, they create a modern and elegant atmosphere that feels both functional and luxurious. The walk-in shower is also a signature feature in modern luxury bathrooms. Frameless glass panels, rainfall shower heads, and minimal hardware create a sleek and open design. Without bulky frames or heavy curtains, the shower area becomes part of the overall architecture of the room. Hey, another detail that elevates a bathroom is the choice of fixtures. Brushed gold, matte black, or polished chrome faucets add subtle contrast and sophistication. These small design details may seem simple, but they greatly influence the overall feeling of luxury. Luxury bathrooms also often incorporate natural light. Large windows, skylights, or frosted glass panels allow daylight to softly illuminate the space. Natural light enhances textures, highlights materials, and creates a fresh and relaxing atmosphere throughout the room. Beyond aesthetics, luxury bathrooms are designed to feel calm and peaceful. Neutral colors such as white, beige, stone gray, and warm wood tones help create a soothing environment. These colors reflect light gently and contribute to the spa-like feeling many homeowners desire. Another important design idea is balance. Luxury bathrooms often have symmetrical layouts where the bathtub, vanity, and mirrors align harmoniously. This sense of order makes the space feel more intentional and visually satisfying. Modern luxury bathrooms also focus on clean architectural lines. Instead of heavy decoration, the beauty comes from proportion, materials, and lighting. The result is a design that feels timeless rather than trendy. When all these elements come together, space, lighting, materials, and thoughtful details, a bathroom becomes more than just a functional room. It becomes a place of relaxation, comfort, and daily luxury. Even small upgrades can make a big difference. Better lighting, elegant fixtures, or a well-designed mirror can instantly elevate the look of a bathroom. Luxury is not always about size. It's about design choices that make a space feel calm, refined, and beautiful. And as you've seen throughout these 50 bathroom designs, true luxury is created through thoughtful details, balanced design, and an atmosphere that invites you to slow down and relax. Because sometimes, the most luxurious place in your home is the one where your day begins and ends